This is the vintage jewelry auction preview slash unboxing haul for this week's auction, Wednesday the 21st and Friday the 23rd at 7 p.m. Eastern. You can text me to get free alerts when I go live. The number is 917-809-7250. Text Hello Dawn to 917-809-7250. Also, the full list of everything will be in the description below. So we're going to start with this because I will put it in if I have time to test it. Also, this is not the order in which things are going to be in. The list will have the order in which things, in the order that I go in. But this I'm going to test for coral. So if I can get it in, it'll most likely be Friday. This one, this beautiful special glass. This one I am starting at $300. I know that already. The other starting bids will be in the description. This is beautiful, this 3-strander with the pretty clasp. My starting bids are very reasonable, by the way, so if you think that's a high bid, it's not. This, the lovely Haskell with the Opalite, that will be in this week's auction. This beautiful blue that reminded me so much of the Schiaparelli that I have. I have also seen this in Regency and Vendôme. I don't know what I was thinking when I said that, but it's also Schiaparelli. The 2 strands of pearls, here they are kind of knotted together, which is a great way to wear them. The Lariat, this is wonderful. The sort of teardrop shaped coin pearls on the green crystal with the toggle clasp. Nice length on that. You can definitely double it and then even hang something from the toggle. This is kind of an advanced style thing. See? And then you hang something from there. But actually it should be so that, well, you could do either way. I would do it so that the toggle hangs higher. See? The beautiful mixed amber, starting very reasonable. This one, chunky lucite, amazing. This one, this is spectacular. This one I'm going to be starting at least 100. Oh, this one I have to do further research. These chiclets, they don't really show up except for one maker, so I have to make sure. The Vitrail, look at that. Look at the length on that. You just don't see it. Isn't that nice? This one, this is pretty. This will be offered at the other Vitrail. Still on its original chain. Beautiful, large, large, large. The lavender. Can't believe I'm not keeping this. I've never seen a lavender out in the wild. I've only seen it in the original retail setting, so that's spectacular. The very long pearls. Also, can't believe I'm doing it. The Carol Lee, big pearls, signed, perfect. The coral, look at this beautiful old coral. And this is a lovely clasp. This is either 14 or 18 karat. I don't remember. That's wonderful. The, oh my God, the huge graduated malachite. Gemmy, beautiful. There's one little kind of dent in there. Does not detract. See that? You can see the striations right through it, the stripes. Beautiful one, shiny, shiny. Very long, very, very long. I originally thought this was Murano, but I don't know. I have to do further research. But look at it anyway. Beautiful beads. Important cloisonne. This will be starting higher. This is sterling. And it has the old gilt silver clasp. This is a special piece. This one, the Italian barrel clasp with those same beads. So that does help with, well, are they the same? They're actually slightly different. So still not sure about this one. This one I am sure about. This is wonderful. And look at the length on that. Pearls. Okay. Oh my goodness. Where do you even start with this? Look at that. Look at this beautiful thing. Vintage push and clasp. Okay. Next up. Oh, the flower. Okay, we'll do the flower. I thought I was just going to do necklaces and I would do pins and the other things later, but we'll keep it in because of the other things. This is gorgeous. This is sterling and marcasite. I love the enlarged clasp on that, which she might have changed, but nice chain. This one, of course, this was a tough one. I wanted to keep it. This, amazing. This, an incredible thing. This one also is going to be starting bid on the higher side because it's a very large piece of fine jewelry. This one, this is absolutely a keeper, and it is signed Carol Lee. The little bracelet Laura gave me, not sterling, beautiful, hand done. The stained glass cross on this cool chain. The signed Les Bernard collar. It's a really good collector piece right now. The Monet, look at the size of this chain. Incredible. This one, so summery and fun. The coffee bean, geometric wonder. I have no words for this. It's too beautiful. Same thing with this one. I will do these separate. These, I'm not sure if I can part with them. I don't know. If I do, you will see them on Friday. This one, I still have to test the stone, so that will be in on Friday. The wonderful, perfect, like new Monet. Look at that. Look the way it lays. This is a good one. Very MCM. This one, I believe this is older now. This also could have been Capri. See that center and the way this is enameling? That's the mark of an older one. Also the veins under the green. Still don't know what it is, so that'll be a lucky thing for someone. The pink lucite, would love to keep it, but you can't eat jewelry. The beautiful little pastel petal necklace, very subtle, pretty little thing. And for the person who wants to restring the very old faux carved coral, very 1930s, original celluloid or cellulose. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you at the auction.